Founders Bricks NFT is today's money bag alert with their mint just 4 days away. You guys do not want to miss out on this one. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that bell notification is lit up. We got Founders Bricks NFT, an NFT art collection of unique 3D digital collectibles living on the Ethereum blockchain. Holding a Founder Brick NFT makes you a founder, a member of the world of creators, innovators, thinkers, adventurers, dreamers, visionaries, producers, artists who are building the future of Web3. This is epic right here. This is the roadmap right here. Like I said, the mint is in 4 days. I'll show you guys how to register in just a sec. So we got the mint in 4 days. We have their first art toy release on the 26th, right? Or this is July 26th. So the mint is in 4 days, June 29th. The first art toy release is July 26th. Summer 22 is the Dissected Friends 10K collection. So this is something I'm going to be looking into. Of course, looking into activating the staking. That's going to be huge. And the fourth quarter, which I'm looking into, is the ICO. That's going to be huge. Now, simply to get a whitelist spot, all you got to do is put your email in right there. Hit continue. Simple as that. They also have minting only happens on the foundersbricks.com. All right. We partnered with Pre-Mint to keep ish organized. All right. So that's something to keep in mind, that they already partnered up with some people. Let's go ahead and take a look at their Twitter page. We see a huge following of 34,000 followers, and the community pulling up. We got likes and retweets. So if you're part of the Founder Bricks community, go ahead and leave some bullish comments down below in the comments and pull up to this video just like you guys did to the Twitter page. So now let's go ahead and look at the art, right? This art off the top looks very clean. I like it. I also took a peek at the Dissected Friends. Those are going to look epic as well, where half of it, basically, you can see the brain and the bones and everything like that. So this is something that we're going to keep an eye on here at the Moneybags channel. Let me know if you guys like this one. If you guys want to see more content, tap in with the team, tap in with the community. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to know more about Founder Bricks NFT. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.